Welcome back to Technoguias. In this video I am going to show you how you can place animated wallpapers here on your Windows 10 computer. Windows 11 must be on main range computer unless we are going to go toward Windows and we are going to look the library application and library wallpaper and install this application. In my case, I have already installed it, so we are going to work the open and we can see some wallpapers, for example this. Select and go to configuration. In configuration we can see open in Windows is activate, icon, interface and user, and volume. Some wallpapers have volume. We can see this form. It's very quick and easy and beautiful. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us.